Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman. So today we're going to be doing a installation of the 3M dirt trap. So I've been using this stuff for a couple of years now, had a bit of experience with it, so I thought I'd do a little video on it showing you guys how we get this dirt trap on. The first time I used this 3M dirt trap, I didn't even realize that they had this machine. So me and poor old Shi Jun, we were in there just both of us just making a bit of a mess of it. We had quite a few crinkles and creases in it, but hey, we did manage to get it on, 2 people, just getting it on by hand. But yeah, once we found out that they actually even had this machine, yeah, there's no looking back. So look, all I can speak for is Melbourne, where I live. So here in Melbourne, 3M have this. They've actually just had to go and get a brand new machine. The other one was getting a bit old, but they lent it out to someone. They forgot who lent it, so they had to go and get a brand new one. But they just loaned this thing out. Now the dirt trap in and of itself, one full roll of this was like $780 or around $800. So it's definitely not cheap stuff. So I understand it's not going to be for every shop. But yeah, for that price, you would definitely be hoping for a free loan of the applicator machine. But yeah, look, that's going to depend on where you are. Or I can only speak for here in Melbourne. They just loan this machine out. They'll drop it into you and then come pick it up a couple of days later. But like I say, for the price tag, you would bloody well hope so. Now, I'm not sure, but I would not be surprised if there's a patent on this product, because I've been asking the guy from a paint supplier. I'm like, hey man, like, have they got a cheaper version of this dirt trap yet? Because it is crazy expensive. And he's like, nah, that's all there is. So there's probably a patent out on it, and I don't know, give it 5 or so years, the patent may run out and the prices will drop dramatically, and you'll also get some competition in the market. So look, but for now, this is all you've got, as far as I know anyway, as far as I can dig anyway. If you know of something else, be sure to let us know. But yeah, that's what I do. We start sort of in a little bit, and then get that, like, the last corner. You get your mate to sort of hold it, and then you work backwards, if that makes sense. So we tried sort of starting right at the edge, and it's just an absolute mess. So we just found you're better off doing that. As you can see, there's a few little creasy spots. It's not the end of the world. I actually have a friend that does this for a living. He does it as a little side gig over there in Perth. So he sends me photos of the booths that he wraps, and they're just absolutely incredible. I'm talking like a whole booth. He will not get even one little crease in it. So obviously, I'm not trying to say that we're the best at it. This is as much as anything. Hey, it exists. I just thought, well, halfway through doing this, I'm like, I may as well do like a little video. First I was going to do just a little one for Instagram. Then I'm like, oh, why not just do something on YouTube? Because I sort of haven't done a video for a while. I've just been, I guess just a little bit busy. So yeah, all is well. There's no other real reason that I haven't been doing vids. I've just been sort of having a bit of a well-deserved break. I've been on the YouTubes for about 10 years, and I've been quite consistent over those 10 years. So having a little bit of a quiet patch, but hopefully we'll get some content back up on the channel, regular content again soon. We'll see how we go. I do have a brand new SATA X, and I'll be reviewing that. I've also got this new 1.8mm ANI compact. So for anyone that's spraying at home and wanting to use some thicker high build primers, that's going to be a perfect gun. I've actually got a few jobs going around the house because I've just moved house. So I want to paint like some fences and just stuff around the house. And I think this gun is going to be absolutely perfect for like thick materials, but with a smaller compressor. So yeah, ANI compact 1.8. It exists. Get on it, guys. So like I say, I'll be doing a review on those things coming up soon. We haven't had any big issues with the stuff falling off. Like, sometimes it can just start on some of the edges if you don't push it down properly. But as you saw me before, it comes with a little applicator that you just sort of press it down with. We've never had any major issues, but I did read in one of the comments on one of my Instagram videos, someone saying that they're sort of having some adhesion issues with the 3M dirt trap. I'm not sure if that's maybe in a really cold environment, so that's maybe a potential idea that you could do. Maybe get the heat on in the spray booth when you do apply it if you've been getting some issues. But yeah, like I say, for me, never been an issue. 3M adhesives have always been pretty reliable from my experience. So that takes about 6 months worth of gunny, going hard until it needs replacing. So when you think about that, the amount of thousands of dollars of work that booth has gone through to get yourself an $800 dirt trap, it's really not that big of a deal. But on the other hand, if you're a small business, I totally understand that $800 price tag could go to your electricity bill or one of 1,000 other things. What I like about it, it's nice, it's quick, convenient, and easy to do. We have the whole spray booth service done, not including the filters, because we did do the filters last week. So look, even the filters, I got my helper Irfan out there to do them, and that would have only taken him, say, an hour and a half to get the filters done, and then to get the booth clean. Like, yeah, there you go, there's the before, and coming up is the after. For that transformation, it really only took about 45 minutes, if that. So it's nice and quick and easy. And yeah, 3M dirt trap, it does sort of grab the overspray and any dust in the spray booth. So look, I highly recommend it. Yes, it's a little bit on the expensive side, so it's not going to be for everybody, but that's it, guys. That's the way that we service our spray booth. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.